Hey guys, let's not waste any time. I'm going to show you how to make fake bird poop the quickest, best, easiest way possible. Go on Amazon and search fake bird poop. Now, it looks like a little bit, but this stuff makes a lot. So what you're going to need is an empty drink bottle, some water, and a sheet of paper. Okay, now it says on here, mix 1 part water to 1.5, a little over 1.5 of the fake poop. So what you're gonna do is, we're gonna add the water first. So 1 part water, right? And then we're gonna put 1.5. Oh, right. You gotta put it on the paper. I'll show you guys why. Right, so 1.5 poop. It looks like about a half. Right. So once you've added the water first, the directions are on here, so it's pretty simple. I'm gonna put it from the paper into the water. All right. Then we're going to shake it up. Alright, so let's go outside and see what we got. Okay guys, I'm out here with the fake poop. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm going to pour it into the bottle cap. Alright. And to apply it, you just drop it on there. You don't want to put too much because it gets really runny. You want to make it look natural, like splatters on the edge. Now, it looks a lot more real when it dries. I'll show you guys what I mean. So put a little bit. You really don't need a whole lot because of how fast it drips. Just want to kind of draw it on there, make it look real. See that? Look at that. That looks so real, dude. That's incredible. That's crazy. See, this is real poop right here. This stuff looks even more real than the real thing. It's crazy, dude. The more it dries, the more real it looks too. Look at that. That's insane. You can put it all over the car. Yeah. Big ass iguana. Look at that. I still got a whole bunch left. Look at this. Look at it. Stuff looks so real. Okay, so we got the fake poop all over the car, and now I'm going to show you guys how to get it off. You also go on Amazon and search for the SSZ spray bottle. Works pretty good. Check this out. Blast it right off. So easy, man. Let's see how it does with the real poop. Pretty good. Hey, I hope you guys found the video helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. I mean, it makes things a lot easier if you got to do like special effects, or, you know, even if you just want to have a little fun with it. I mean, just about everything is on Amazon, thank goodness. So like and subscribe, check out my other videos, and if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Y'all take care, man.